Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use your voice in Suno AI music generator. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you guys haven't heard about Suno AI, it's time you do, because Suno AI is an amazing platform that allows you to build amazing music with AI tools. You no longer need to have an amazing voice or a lot of different musical skills. If you're trying to build a simple beat for your loved ones, or if you're a professional that wants to elevate their music, you can use Suno AI. Not only does Suno help you in creating AI-based music, but you can even create music with your own voice. Suno AI is an innovative artificial intelligence platform designed to generate realistic and expressive human-like voices for music and audio content. It allows users to create original songs simply by inputting lyrics and style prompts, eliminating the need for traditional recording equipment or vocal talent. Suno AI uses advanced deep learning models to synthesize vocals in various genres, accents, and emotional tones, making it a powerful tool for musicians, content creators, and hobbyists alike. With its easy-to-use interface and cloud-based operation, Suno AI democratizes music creation, enabling anyone to produce high-quality audio tracks without extensive technical skills. So let's get started. First off, you're going to head on over and sign up for Suno AI. So, Suno AI is completely free to get started, and you can upgrade to a Pro plan or Premier later on, but we're going to get started completely for free. I have signed up using my Google account, so all you need is an email address to get started with Suno AI. Once you have signed up for Suno AI, you're going to proceed with going into Create on the left. Once you go into Create on the left, you're going to proceed, and you have two options here. Now, starting off, you can either choose the version that you want. So you have V2, V3, V3.5, then you have improved vocal quality with V4, and then you have V4.5. Now we're going to be proceeding with V4, and then you're going to click on Custom. Now, Custom is where you are actually able to add your own audio and create your own music with completely unique styles and audios. So if you click on Audio over here, you can upload or record your audio. You can leave it at auto lyrics, as well as describe your persona. Persona is something that is only available on the premium plans. However, if you want to proceed with adding your own audio, that is completely free. You can go ahead, go into Create, and then go into your own audio section, and then upload your own audio or record it. So I'm going to record it, and I'm just going to take a look at the lyrics for this one. I'm going to ask it to write some lyrics about a cute kid song. I'm just going to add this, and we're just going to record a very cute and very simple kid song. I'm going to select this option, and then we're going to record these. So we're going to click on Upload or Record. And I'm only going to record the verse because that's all I can see. Once I've done that, you guys can see you can trim your audio as well. And then you're going to click on Save. Once you've done that, you can cover audio in any song style. You can extend and make your audio longer, or you can save this audio for later. Now, I want to be using this audio to just cover my audio in any song style. And I'm going to select the cover option and then click on Continue. Once I've done that, this is what I recorded. Now, this is a very, basic song. So we're going to ask it to rewrite some lyrics, and we're going to have my audio be converted into a completely different song. I'm going to write a full song, and let's ask it to sing Little Wonders in my voice. So I'm going to select this option. Once I've done that, I'm just going to scroll down. We can enter the styles. You can leave it blank if you wanted to do auto detection. And I'm going to ask it to now convert my voice into this song. We're going to click on Remix, and it's going to remix and create two different variations. So I'm going to wait until my different variations of Little Wonders are recorded, and it's going to build different paces. Usually, one is a slower pace and one is a faster pace of the same song. So I'm going to wait and see what these sound like, so you guys can see it for yourselves as well. How these songs are going to sound exactly like you. So let's just wait. So right now, it is still currently creating the vocals and creating the rest of the beats as well, but it allows you to start playing the song as soon as it is being created. so you guys can listen along and see if they do sound like you. We'll start. Now, this is just one song. Let's play the other one. The other variation of Little Wonders that it has created using my voice. Now, these were just two examples that I wanted to show you guys that it has created using my voice. I do think that they sound pretty similar to my voice. This just sounds like if I could sing, if I had, my voice in a better version, it would sound like that. Now, if you want, you can always change your recording. You can upload a larger recording of your own sound or your own voice, or you can even record a different version. If you record a version where you're just speaking, then it's able to grasp that as well. So, I'll show you guys what it sounds like if I record a version of me just speaking to the microphone and how that is going to be converted into a love song, for example. So I'm going to click on record, and I will just record my voice. Now, this was just a bunch of word salad. I wasn't necessarily saying anything, so I'm just going to click on save, and now I can cover this audio in any song style. I'm going to again select this option, and then once we have our clip that is being analyzed, it's being uploaded. You're going to click on cover, click on continue. Then you guys can see that it has created a lyric. Now I'm going to add a full song, and I'm going to change the lyrics. I want a love song. Once I do that, it's going to create a lyrics, a love song chorus, because I'd want a short one, a verse and the chorus. I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to add my lyrics over here. And then we're going to select by line. Once we do that, we're just going to proceed and then click on remix. And now it's going to remix my sound and convert that into a different song. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be created. So you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys what these two recordings sound like as well. And just like that, you can create covers, extend your voice, and reuse your voice in multiple different scenarios. So that is how you can get started with Suno AI. And the best part is that their free plan gives you 50 credits that renew every day, and you can create upwards of 10 songs every day. Then the Pro plan is only $8 a month on yearly billing, and it's around $10 a month on monthly billing. Then you have their Premier at $30 a month. Now their Pro plan is amazing. It gives you access to over 2,500 credits every month, so you're able to use and create as many songs as your heart desires. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use your voice in Suno AI Music Generator. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.